Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today's Wednesday, February 19th, 2025. Quick little summary here on my trading journey so far. So we're kind of hitting a bit of a roadblock here. We're kind of on a couple-day losing streak. The goal for February was honestly to make 10K in payouts for the month. And right now we're struggling to even get any green days. The only positive I see is that I've backtested my setups and my strategy a ton. I've backtested in different months, different market conditions, and I know that over the long term, I do have an edge, and then my strategy is profitable. So that is keeping my mind a little bit at ease, and it's telling me to make sure I keep executing, keep staying disciplined, and I'm staying patient here. With all that being said, it is tough on your mind. You want to kind of switch things up a bit. You want to tell yourself, oh, maybe try a different strategy. Oh, maybe do this, maybe do that. But with the back testing and my journaling and all the data that I have, I'm staying strong in my strategy. I'm staying disciplined, and we're gonna make sure we execute. So today, I am on a losing streak. The one thing I control in this trading journey is the mindset that I bring into trading. So, as you guys already know, I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I've been doing previously. I'm going to be disciplined, I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to make sure I execute on my setups because I know my edge, and I know that over the long term, it is profitable. And these losing streaks, even though they might hurt, they might be painful, they're not going to last. So I got to make sure I buckle down, stay disciplined, and make sure I'm executing on the right setups, right? And hopefully the green days start to come. So I'll give you guys a quick little morning recap, and we'll see where my levels are at, and we'll see what trades I take. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, possible NQ setup here. All right, the 2-minute close below, it's 225. All right, we are in there. All right, guys, so here we are. Currently entered this NQ short. The reason behind this here, we're expecting, there's no levels here on NQ. So what I'm expecting is for price, this level down here to act kind of like a magnet for price to want to come down here and tap into this eventually throughout the day. So what we did here is NQ and ES, as always, on the left side. ES came down, failed to make a higher high, while NQ came down and created a higher high. So it broke above this pivot, gave this nice little gap here on the, well, it's not little, it's actually 20 points. Nice gap here on the 2-minute, and then price rejected and closed down here strong. So it's showing me strength, or it's showing me weakness, and it's telling me that the sellers are in the market and they want to come in or get involved and possibly sell this market down. So I am in the trade right now. Stop loss is pretty big, but I've sized accordingly. So we'll see if we can get this one to go in my favor, and I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll be back. All right, guys. So as you can see here, the trade ended up working in my favor, plus 2R full target. Once we entered here, price went in my favor for a little bit, came back, pulled back for a little bit of drawdown, and as you can see here, had that instant drop right there to my what used to be my break-even target, and then came back, would have taken me out break-even. So my journaling has told me and showed me that it is not the most profitable risk management, and that the 2+2R all or nothing is the best one for my strategy and my approach in the market. So that's why I switched up. And as you can see, paid off again, right? Came all the way down, took me out for a full +2R target. We still have this sell side liquidity here that it's on my hourly pivot that I kind of want to price to come back down, do a little rollover and come back here and tap this, and then potentially come back up to the north side. So I'll be waiting for that. Making sure I lock in the green day here by only taking one more trade. The next trade could be a potential loser, but I'm going to make sure I cut it off after that, and I'm going to finish the day +1R. Just trying to start building up these green days, even if they are small or whatever they are, trying to build up green days. So we'll wait for this setup to present itself, and if it does, I'll let you guys know. I'll be back. All right, guys, here we are, possible NQ short here. If we get the close below, and we do, I am in on this short, stop loss. Let me set that. Okay, I'll go ahead and explain this one here. All right, so as you guys saw, took this first trade here earlier today. This was my first trade. Price bounce came all the way up here. This is my 50% retracement level, which you guys already know. Since this created a new session low all the way down here and then came up first tap, I went ahead. I saw this nice little 6-point gap here on the 30-second. Once price closed below, that's when I jumped in on the trade, and now we're in. So second trade of the day. We'll see how this one goes. I have the conviction that price will keep selling lower, and we'll see how it plays out. So, all right, guys. So as you can see, trade ended up working in my favor. Pretty quick and easy, honestly. A couple minute trade here. Entered in the 30-second, took a little bit of heat, and then price just sold off. Hit the full plus 2R target, and I'm calling it a day there. This was a key level for me. Price always has that clean reaction that I keep calling out, and I was disciplined, I was patient, I executed on my setup, and you can see here the full plus 2R target was hit. I'll show you guys a quick my Apex accounts. Again, 2 trades, 2 plus 4R. This last trade was just a little bit of smaller size. We had the stop loss was a little bit smaller. It was only 11 points. But I took my 3 trades or my three micros, my 3 contracts, and it ended up working in my favor. Here we are, all 10 accounts in the green. Here's my trade copier, my funded futures. Evals are still working at it. We're still going at them. Topstep actually was able to get one to fund it here. So we're going to have back another Topstep funded account here starting tomorrow. Tradeify, the accounts are looking decent. After yesterday's loss, it was a little grim. And Topstep again here, or Apex, I mean, they're all right here. Again, guys, having your journal, having back testing, making sure you understand your strategy and you understand the wins, the losses that come with it, that is very important in trading. If I would have just if I would have not understand the way my setups occur and the way they present themselves and the possible losing streaks that would come up with it, then I would have switched my setups. I could have switched my mindset. I could have came in angry. I could have came upset. I could have been fearful, but instead I trusted my process. I trusted my strategy, and I know long term it works out. And I was able to pull out a 4 plus 4R, the same 4R that we lost yesterday. I was able to get it back today. So we are back to break even on the week. So hopefully tomorrow and Friday we have better or good trades as well, and hopefully we can finish it out positive for the week. Again, guys, I can't stress it enough. The patience, the discipline, and the execution, that is your number one thing. Risk management, making sure you have a strategy that you've back tested and that you trust, that you believe in, that you don't need anyone else tell you when to get in, when to get out, that you really understand it. Is very important in trading, and thankfully that's what I have. I've worked really hard and back tested it, put in a ton of hours to understand my setup, and today it paid off. So hopefully these green days keep coming, and we'll look to stack them up and hopefully get a payout before the month's over. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.